Pasulyap naman te, kahit ano. So, mag-aano muna tayo guys, um, anong tawag dito? Mag-outfit check muna tayo guys, okay? Aray, aray, wait lang guys, sumasakit yung paa ko guys. Sumasakit yung paa ko guys. Pangwalo ko na. Dahan-dahan lang guys. Namanood akong tail guys, I'm really sorry, wait lang. Don't worry, mag-aano tayo, outfit check at magsa-side view. Okay, kalma lang kayo guys. May agency ka na, yes po. Yes, wait sa guys, kasi sumakit talaga yun. Alam yung alam yung nagnanam guys, yung paa nyo, nagnanam talaga. Wait lang guys, nagnanam pa siya. Pawalain muna natin guys. Okay? Oo, nag-cramps. True. Nag-cramp siya guys. No blood supply kasi. Talaga? Wait lang guys. Are you crying? I'm not crying. No, no. I'm not crying guys. I'm not crying. It's just my feet are so hurt. It's hurting. Ano? Shall we, Ate Melon? Your feet feels numb. Haha, true. Pongkidos, thank you. Guys, 2.3k views na natin ngayon, guys. Sobrang dami. Sige na, mag-outfit check na tayo. Are you ready? Ay, mag-side view muna tayo, guys. So, this is the side view. That's the side view. And this is our outfit, guys. For tonight.